Meet the person who can't eat, travel, or laugh without proving it to 5,000 strangers. Now, meet the other type. They have 5,000 followers, but their profile picture hasn't changed since 2018. When you search for them, you see a consistent 3-year-old photo. They are the ghosts of the internet. It begs the question, are they boring? Are they insecure? Are they secretly on the run? We immediately assume they are insecure, but often, the person who must document everything is actually the insecure one. Today, we are discovering a new psychological principle. Privacy has become the ultimate status symbol. This not posting habit is built on 3 core pillars: status, focus, and internal validation. Our first psychological deep dive is rule number 1, the internal anchor. It's the ability to feel real without a crowd watching. Most people have an external locus of evaluation. They only feel their experiences are valid once they are liked and commented on. The digital ghost doesn't need a jury. They have a high internal locus, meaning they are the only witness they need to enjoy a moment. For some, if it isn't on Instagram, it didn't happen. But the non-poster values the experience more than the evidence. This isn't just about being shy. Psychologically, these people often score lower on narcissism and higher on need for autonomy. They don't feel the itch to signal their status. They don't care if you know where they vacationed or what they bought. There is a specific type of confidence in silence. It says, I am happy and I don't need you to agree with me. The result of the internal anchor? Total freedom from the endless cycle of comparison and feed anxiety. Next is rule number 2, the infinite jury. This is about how ghosts perceive the internet differently than everyone else. Psychologically, many don't post because of the spotlight effect. They overestimate how much others notice their flaws or judge their lives. The digital ghost sees the internet as a permanent record. They find the idea of a digital footprint paralyzing rather than fun. For these individuals, the spotlight effect triggers high perfectionism. If the post isn't 10 out of 10, the anxiety of what they'll think outweighs the joy of sharing. They aren't hiding. They are practicing selective identity. They choose to stay a mystery to avoid the mental weight of being known by everyone. A ghost hates being misperceived. They know that a single photo can be taken out of context by the infinite jury, so they choose not to give them the evidence. Psychologically, they value the rare signal. They know that when they do eventually post, it will have 100x more impact than someone who posts every hour. By ignoring the infinite jury, they gain social peace of mind. They are no longer on trial for the crime of living their life. Finally, we harness rule number 3, the power of silence. This is about using not posting as a strategy for autonomy. The digital ghost resists algorithm slavery. They reject the idea that they must create content to be seen or valued. For some, not posting is a form of passive rebellion. By giving the machine nothing, they reclaim the ownership of their attention. They practice the focus audit. Before taking a photo, they subconsciously ask, is this for my memory or for their validation? They prioritize the experience over the evidence. They know that true memories aren't stored on a server, but in the vivid feelings of the moment. To reclaim your psychology, follow these 3 rules. Delay your posts, try a ghost mode, weekend, and always audit your intent. The result of this psychological shift? You stop being a puppet to the algorithm and start building genuine self-esteem that doesn't depend on a screen. By mastering the psychology of silence, you become the master of your own narrative. You are no longer hiding, you are simply living. Are you ready to go ghost mode? Comment your thoughts below and subscribe for more psychological cheat codes.